Hi everyone. So today's focus is going to be helping my husband cut down 2 big trees. So we need to cut down these trees to clear an area for our house build. So I'm going to be doing another video that explains like all the site work that we've done on our own to build our house, hopefully get started really soon. But this video is just about us cutting down these 2 big trees. So what I had to do is my husband attached a cable from the tree to the bulldozer, and I had to drive the bulldozer, which I was really scared, but I did it. So let's get right to the video so you can see how we cut down these 2 trees. And we had to attach it to the bulldozer so that it would fall away from the current garage structure on our property. All right, let's get to the video. So thanks for watching, and so this is just a little snippet of our house building project. I'll try to make some more videos about it so you can watch our progress as we move along, all right? So thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and have yourselves a great day.